Well, hello guys, welcome to SatoWallet channel. I'm going to be showing you how to make use of Ripple on SatoWallet app. Well, first we're going to have to visit the SatoWallet website, which is SatoWallet.com right here. And there are three versions of the app. There is the PC version, there is the one on Play Store, and there is another one on App Store. So we're going to use the one on PC because we kind of have the same interface, and I've already installed the PC one on my PC right now. And okay, so here's the PC one. So all you need to do to sign in is just get an email address, set up a password, and you're good to go. And this Google Auth here is another layer of security to make sure your funds are very secure. And here's the amount I have right now in my wallet, and here are the coins available on the app. So we're gonna use Ripple. So we're gonna look for Ripple down here. Okay, here's Ripple, and there you can either drag down to look for a coin. You can use this search bar right here to type in the coin you're looking for, and it will just show up, which is a lot more easier. So here is the amount. Here is my Ripple balance, and here's the equivalent balance of this Ripple in USD. So if you want to send a coin, you just go to send and type in the address of a friend and type in the amount. So this is not exactly what okay, this is the type in the destination tag and amount. So this is not what an address looks like or a destination tag, but it's just an example. So if the amount is too much, you can just increase, or if it's too low, you can add. So here, and it also shows in USD. This is the fee deducted. It shows in USD too. And you can add a comment, transaction comment. And when you finish all of that, then you can just click on transfer, and your transfer will begin. Okay, then let me show you how to receive. Okay, if you want to receive, the person you're receiving the coin from will have to type in, you have to scan this barcode or make use of this my address to send you the coin. Okay, this is pretty much about sending and receiving. So you're gonna jump to swap coins. Okay, swap coins from currency. We're gonna choose a currency we are swapping from. Okay, right now we're using Ripple, so we're gonna choose Ripple here. Okay, Ripple is here. Okay, and you can choose any other currency to swap to. Okay, you can use Dent. Okay, amount to swap 33. Okay, amount exceeds your balance, because this amount exceeds my Ripple balance right now, so it won't be able to swap. So I have to take it down a little. Okay, now this button is enabled and that text disappears. So okay, 2 Ripple is equivalent to $0.9 and also equivalent to 428.2 Dent. Okay, then after that you can swap. Okay, that's swapping. Let's see exchange. Okay, exchange, this is the market. These are the list of coins you can exchange with. Okay, you're using Ripples. Let's look for Ripple XRP. Okay, BTC to XRP. XRP is Ripple. Okay, these are the bids and the ask. And this one here is the if you want to sell, if you want to buy, you use this side, and if you want to sell, you use this side. Okay, if you want to sell, you type in the Ripple amount and the BTC price. Okay, it will show you the equivalent of that amount or the price in dollar here. Okay, amount, price for selling. This is for buying, this is for selling. clicking on either one of these buttons is gonna make you an order. Then you just go to my orders, and your order is gonna show up right here. So if you don't want to go on with your order, you can just cancel the order. There will be a cancel button right here. Right here, and then click on cancel, then your order will be deleted. So if you want to make another order, you just go back to trade order again. So here is the transaction history between BTC and Liquid. Okay, here are the types, prices, and amount. Okay, types are the bits and the ask, and these prices are the, as you can see the figures, and the amount, well, you can see the figures as well. Well, okay, let's jump to currency. Okay, I'm going to show you how to change fiat currency from one currency to another currency. Right now I'm using USD, so let's change to another currency. But it's a long list of currencies, so you can choose anyone to change with to see how it actually works. So let's use this Canadian dollar. Okay, it's gonna take some seconds to change. Currency has been changed. My coins. Let's go back to my coins and see what happened. Okay, before here it was showing USD, and now it's showing Canadian dollar because I changed my fiat currency from USD to Canadian dollar. Thank you guys for watching this tutorial. I hope you enjoyed it.